and payment of 60 million pesos in damages. The AFP is also seeking compensation from China to cover the medical expenses for a Filipino soldier who lost his finger during the resupply mission.
We are also looking into the possibility of charging them with the cost of restructuring the hand of si SN1 Facundo. Kasi mag-ooperahan po siya Operahan para bumalik yung function ng kanyang kamay. Meron po kasing mga technology ngayon, medical technology na bago, nang sa gayon ay magamit niya ulit yung kanyang kanang kamay.
Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.